I am on the Saint-Jean Street in Quebec City, basically in the Square Dieuville, right in front of the Palais Montcalm, in a building that I'm sure you've seen before. If you came to Quebec before, you've seen this gorgeous building called Le Capitole. In the Capitole, there's a theater, there's a cabaret, there's an hotel, and there's the restaurant Il Teatro. And I am sitting with the chef, Serge Gagné. Chef Gagné, you've been here since the beginning of the Capitole. Tell me about the first years and tell me about the project itself.
Bon, le projet, c'était justement de faire le côté théâtre et le côté cuisine. Alors, le tout s'est allié ensemble au fil de l'ouverture, au fil de l'année. Alors, on est ici dans un restaurant de cuisine italienne qui reçoit les artistes jusqu'à très tard. Alors, le choix avait été déjà fait au départ, c'était la cuisine italienne. Alors, c'est parce qu'ils trouvaient que c'était une des meilleures cuisines pendant les années 92 environ.
So the concept here at the Capitole was to create a great theater and as well an amazing Italian restaurant. Why an Italian restaurant? It's because it is a great cuisine that almost everybody loves, and it's true.
Yes.
Then, what is so special about the Capitole is that, of course, you have the clients, you have the people who are attending the shows, but you're also cooking for the actors, for the stars, for the singers. They're coming from everywhere. It's a VIP, let's say, VIP people that are sitting in your restaurants almost every night. How do you deal with that? Is it a challenge? Est-ce que c'est un défi pour un chef d'avoir des stars comme ça dans son restaurant?
Oui, ça a tout été un défi grâce à la participation de mes collègues de travail aussi, des gens qui avaient vraiment le feu, hein, le feu sacré. On peut justement arriver à servir des artistes comme Céline Dion ou très tard le soir. Parce que leurs activités les poussent à justement travailler très tard, finissent leur spectacle très tard. Et le restaurant Le Teatro est là pour les accueillir mes clients aussi. Alors, c'est un mélange entre justement la cuisine et la musique.
It was a real challenge because, of course, you need a very high standard, high quality food as a chef, but also Chef Gagné and his team, because it's a lot of question of teamwork, they had the challenge to create a schedule that would be friendly for the artist's schedule. So, for example, an artist will finish his day at 11 in the night, and they're ready for dinner at 11. So you cannot close the restaurant at 11. It starts for them at 11. So you had to stay open almost all night to accommodate the artists that were here. And you're still having, as a client, international artists like Celine Dion. And you have a great story about Celine because you've seen her at her very beginning. She started practicing here at the Capitole many years ago. Hein, tout a commencé ici pour Céline. Pratiquement, vous l'avez vu au début de ses pratiques ici au Capitole.
Oui, je me souviens, un soir, justement, je courais un peu vers l'arrière-scène, vers le backstage. J'avais préparé des plats pour elle, puis je suis allé lui porter dans sa loge. Alors, il y avait vraiment un rapprochement quelquefois. Là. Ici, je l'ai servi quand elle a eu la médaille d'honneur, qui lui a été décernée par Lucien Bouchard. Alors, ça s'est fait ici au Théâtre Capitole en privé. Cet été, on l'a reçue aussi pendant qu'elle est venue pendant le festival d'été. Alors, elle est passée par la grande porte.
Let me translate that. Chef Gagné used to run and meet Celine Dion at her very beginnings many years ago when she was practicing on the stage, and he would go backstage to give her some food and make her try some things that he created. Then after, when she came back a few years ago and she received an honor from Lucien Bouchard here in Quebec, well, she had a special event. She had a meal here at the Il Teatro, and recently she performed at the Festival d'été de Québec, and she chose the Il Teatro. She came in using the main door as an almost normal client, but still we're talking about Celine. And I think that time she chose to go downstairs to the private salon that you created for your VIP guests. And there was something so special you told me about her, because sometimes we think about the stars and we think about their diet and they probably don't eat a lot. Well, we have a great secret to tell you about Celine. She loves to eat and she wanted to try everything. Elle adore manger et elle voulait tout découvrir des produits que vous aviez à lui présenter.
Absolument. C'est quelqu'un de très, très généreux, puis on penserait qu'elle n'est pas accessible. Au contraire, elle est vraiment accessible. Et ce sont ce genre d'artistes-là qu'on a souvent l'honneur de recevoir ici au Théâtre Capitole. On se souviendra de d'autres noms, tels Gilbert Bécaud, Kenny Rogers. Il y en a eu ici pour tous les goûts et pour toutes les oreilles aussi. Alors,
The greatest surprise for Chef Gagné is to get this friendly relationship with stars like Celine, but like Gilbert Bécaud, like Kenny Rogers, because we think that they're not accessible, but no. Chef Gagné is having such a good time meeting the stars, talking about food with them, trying out some things on the menu. So you're really having a special relationship, a special bond, and it's probably the reason why they come back to the Il Teatro. I want us to talk about something that is touching you. I know that you get very emotional about it, and it's the history of your career here. You've been here, it's a family for you. You've been here for 22 years. You're still working here. The relationship that you're having with the restaurant is something that I've never seen before. It's part of your life. How do you feel about the fact that you belong here? Comment vous vous sentez? Vous appartenez au Il Teatro. C'est
Oui.
plus qu'une carrière, c'est une
puis on est
famille pour
toujours
vous.
en pleine transformation, comme on disait tout à l'heure, vers des produits de plus en plus frais, de plus en plus légers, qui sont de plus en plus santé. Alors, personnellement, enlever du sucre, moins salé un peu, peut-être laisser la discrétion au client un peu plus.
Oui, le client, hein?
Oui, ouais. C'est important de suivre, puis d'être peut-être un peu à l'avant-garde pour aider le client, justement. Parce qu'on on a toutes sortes de clients, puis il y a des goûts pour tout le monde, mais il faut avoir un peu tous les plats, c'est sûr, mais il faut quand même devancer un peu, s'en aller vers une cuisine qui est plus saine, parce que tout le monde, pour certaines raisons, la population qui vieillit, tout ça, je pense que ça demande moins de sucre un peu, puis un peu plus de parfum maraîcher ou...
Chef Gagné was telling me that, of course, after 20 years, he could be very comfortable with the menu and very comfortable with his techniques, but he's always trying to change the menu and to get healthier. He's taking out the extra sugar, the extra salt. He wants his clients, his customers to be healthy. He likes to meet the clients. He likes to talk with them, to create something that they're going to like and something that is going to be good for them at the point of their life. So, for example, your clients that were here at the very beginning, well, they are 20 years older and they need something different and they need to watch out for the cholesterol or for the blood pressure and everything. You are concerned about your clients, and it's
important.
really touching.
Yeah, c'est important. Pour la vie, et pour la santé, et pour la gastronomie aussi.
It's important for life, it's important for health, and it's important for gastronomy. You are a real artist. We talked a lot about artists and stars, but you are a star. Merci. Thank you very much, Chef Gagné.
It's okay. Thank you.